Hey there TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with the RhinestoneWorld.com, and this is tutorial number 135 for the TRW Stone Wizard version 3.0, the Place and Fill setting dropdown. So you're going to see that under the Place and Fill tab, and this is a new feature, our setting dropdown right here. So what's awesome about this feature is all those different fill line spacings and islands and hatches and everything else, the effects that you always need to remember and try and go back to later, you can now save all of those settings right here in the wizard to make your life easy. And then we also have right here is where you're going to save your settings. So if you want to add a new one, once you have all your settings in, you save it whatever you want and hit OK. If you ever want to delete a setting, you just go to the actual setting, hit X, and that's going to delete your setting. And then this is going to go back to your default settings, and that's your refresh button. And that'll bring you back to your initial default settings. So show you how this works pretty easy here. Let's go ahead and I'm going to go to my default for stones. So I know that's going to do an auto on all of my stone stuff. So let's go ahead and make an actual circle here. And with this circle, I just want to do 3 rows of stones to the outside, and I want to use SS10s. So I'm going to do an island fill, and that's going to hit it perfect. Now, cool thing about this, if I wanted to move to SS20s, click on my outside row and do island fill again, it's going to hit those 20s perfect every time. If I want to go to SS6s for the next 2 rows, island fill, it's going to hit those 6s perfect every time. So that auto feature and having your default for stones set, it's going to be able to do that for you. Alright, so let's move to the next one. Next we have a default for HTV. We have a default for stones with no auto. That's just in case we're doing an offset fill. So what that means is, let's just grab a little area here, and I'm going to do basically create kind of like a crooked C here. So I have my C right here, and I want to do 3 islands to the inside in an offset fill. That's going to do this right here for an offset. Now if I wanted it to be a lot closer, then I can go real small, let's say 0.001 in an offset fill, and that's going to do it like this right here. Now set this for SS10s, which is what I have this setting set for, offset fill, that's going to hit that perfectly. If I wanted to go to the outside of that same and offset fill, that's going to do that perfectly. So you can see how much easier this makes it. Remember those awesome hearts that we make? Let's go up to my heart, grab one of my hearts. Let's just make this, I don't know, about a 5-inch heart here. And I'm going to go right over here to my 12 island scatter fade that I created. So all of those settings went in there perfectly for me. I don't have to change anything. I just hit island fill, clear my paths, and check out that awesome heart I just made in a couple clicks. So that is our Place and Fill setting dropdown, which is a new feature in the TRW Stone Wizard version 3.0. It's going to save you a lot of time, and you can save as many different settings as you want in here to make your life easier. So hope this video helped you out on the Wizard 3.0. If you do have any questions, make sure to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. This is Matt with the RhinestoneWorld.com, and you guys have a great day.